Every day we are learning new things, new stitch, new history, like it's very exciting.
I've been teaching the module called Textile Heritage of India. In this particular module, we've been studying different state embroideries as well as different prints and paintings of different states.
It is a traditional Indian textile art form which is mainly known for its hand-drawn designs, and mainly the motifs include the floral patterns and mythological scenes.
Here I made this article which includes different kinds of embroideries from different states like Chamba Rumal, Kalamkari, Fulkari, Kantha and Kathiawadi.
India is very rich in its textiles. So they have learned everything right from the motifs and how they can do it on the fabric and their implementations.
I've studied about their color patterns and how we can create or make these patterns, the pattern techniques.
First we made motifs on paper for each embroidery, and then we made a sample for each embroidery.
The students were full of enthusiasm. Every day they were coming with the new ideas and explored it in different manner.
Really thankful to Bharti Mishra ma'am because she really taught us very nicely and thoroughly throughout the module, and she also helped us in any doubts that we had about the textile or the embroidery because we were doing it for the first time.
While doing all this stuff, we have learned how to be patient and disciplined while doing this work, and I think it is really crucial while doing something with hand, and it made us understand the hard work of the artisans which they have put through the years.
They can implement their hand embroidery basically, which is very much demand in the industry.
I think as a designer, it is in my advantage to put handmade value.
I'm someone who loves Indo-Western a lot, and so I guess that I'll add more of Indian embroideries in the garments that I'll be making.
Now that I know about it, I feel like I can use it in the future in my garments or in my any TFA projects, for example. I feel like I can really make good use of these embroideries.